Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 2D drawing tutorials. This is for mechanical parts. This is for my AutoCAD's output PDF files made with full dimensions. Okay, this is to draw this drawing. We open the AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD 2070 version. Before we start the drawing, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, start drawing here or here. Grid on and check, make sure the drawing workspace is dropping and annotation here. Okay, before we start the drawing, type UN for check Unix decibel. This is for mechanicals. Okay, precision 0.0 millimeters. Okay, and then Control F, save your pad here. Yeah, okay. This is a drawing I provided. I provided this drawing in the description links. You can download it and you can make it. This is tutorial drawings. Okay, to draw this drawing, make sure first we need to draw this diameter 18 cycle and then radius 12 cycle first. Okay, so C for the cycle, click and then make auto on here. D for the diameter 18 and then C for the cycle again, pick the center point and then radius is 12. Okay, now we get it, this 2 cycle here. Okay, and then okay, later we can choose this box, radius 3 inside and radius 6 outside here. Okay, so C for the cycle here, radius 3 clips and then C centered again, clips radius 6. Okay, so and then move M for the move command, clips enter, specify base point here. So we put 48. So why we put 48 here, I will show you. This is radius 48. This is the outside diameter of the joints. So that means you can measure that point from that point is radius 48. Okay. Now our drawing is 20 degrees angle from the connected lines. Okay. So our book line command here, clicks and then choose assign the angle dimension. So shift less than, this means the angle, so 10 here and then you will make angle, so you need to assign this clicks here. So this is not, this should be the tangent, so that line is should be the tangent, now not tangents. Okay, I make another line L and then hold shift right click, you can choose the tangent here. Yeah, and then make sure the tangent symbol here, clicks. Okay, so I need to erase the existing line, so that means the tangent lines. Okay, and then MI for the mirror, clicks that line, enter that point, erase object, no. Okay, so you get it, the line here, and then this should be the 3 offset here, so I will put 3 offset here. O for the offset, that the value offset distance is 3 from that point to that point. Okay, now I will use trim command here, trim the unnecessary line. Okay, trim. Okay, and then erase the line here. Okay, so we got it just like this. Okay, we got it just like that, and then we need to fill up the border here. Okay, so we put it the radius 2.4 fillet for 4 corners. Put F for the fillets, and then choose radius here. The value is 2.4. Enter, and then choose the multiple collet, multiple assignment, multiple slits, 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 slit line here, line here. Enter. Okay, now you get it. Then we make a uh, 3 hands because it's 120 degree the copy. Okay, so this is the first way you can use array ARR array here. Then copy, select you want to copy here, 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 splits, splits, and then make choose that this polar for the circular array, the center point of the array. Okay, so you get it. Now click it. You can import here 3. So this will automatically divide as splits. This will automatically divide as 120 degrees. Okay, close array here. So you got it. That is the polyline. So you can make a slope fast. EXPLOD explode. And click enter. So you can edit it. So I will make trend here. Trend. Yeah. Trend. Yeah. And then erase unnecessary lines here. Here. Clips. 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 And then trend again. Enter. Enter. Here. Okay. Now you get it. Now you complete the drawings. Okay. This is very simple. And then now we put the dimension and the other centimeters. Okay, so this is the depot point. So we need to make a layer properties here, and then click the new layer for C and D as center line. Yes, and then the color is white. Okay, line types not solid line. You can choose look here, and then I will choose for that type of design center by X, because I like because this the same line, so dash and dot line. Okay, and then center. So the transparency should be the little bit dim light, so I will choose 50 here, and then center line, edits the center line, so you can mix the green edits. Okay, so C for the cycle here, splits the center line, so you may make it the center dim line. Okay, you can adjust the amount of line, LDS line dash K, that should be 1. You can adjust the line as you want. This is 0.5 and then 0.4 and then 0.3. 0.3 is okay for me. Okay, yeah, and then line here, that point, that point, that point, and then that point to that point. Okay, make a little bit extend here, split the line and then extend. 12 is okay. Here, let's knock auto off here. Here, you can make it perpendicular 12. Enter. Let's extend here 12 and save here to join here. So I will choose or I make a dimension, input the dimension here. This is the drawing. Okay, so choose the template here. This is the layer 1, and then so I make a layout. Right click here, preset managers. This I will choose the A4 schedule fit. Sorry, right click here, A4 schedule fit. Set currents here. Okay, this is the A4 pages. Okay, so I erase this here and then make viewport, view viewports, edit model configuration, enter, click the drawing you want here, let's. So you are drawing here. You can make this a paper view. You can choose the model view here, and then you can choose the model view here, and then close the grid, and then make a model view here. So you can put dimension in here. Okay. So I will put step-by-step dimension here. To this dimension, so you will make a layer again here for dimensions here. Center, that should be the solid line here. Okay. The center, the transparency, I need to solid transparency 0. Okay, make edit here, set current. So this is a dimension here. Then choose the cycle diameter here. Radius first. Radius value here. This is radius 12. And then that is radius 18. Okay. And I will show you the radius value here. Radius 2.4. Radius 2.4. And then radius value again here. Radius 6. That should be radius 3 here. Okay, and then I forgot one thing here. This is radius 18 to fillet here. Okay, so you can switch to model here, and then for the fillet, select radius 18. Enter. Choose the multiple here. Let's. Okay. And then save. And then switch to the layer 1. Yeah, you can finish. Okay, there's radius is here 18. And then that radius is 48. Okay, now make a sign angular here. That line is 20, and then that line is 120. Okay, now I need to little bit here. The offset distance is choose the dimension, auto dimension here, click here, then 3. Yeah, and then dimension here, click 3. Yeah, I make a little move here. This is here. Sorry, little move here. Yeah, okay, and then I make this 3 is outside, so you explode that dimension here, click explode that dimension. Okay, so now you can easily move this 3 from the outside, this 3 from that outside. Okay, now save. Now you have this drawing here. Okay, if you want to get PDFs output from your drawing, you can choose here, and then export here. You can choose the PDFs, and you can choose anything paper size preference. Okay, yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.